She thought leaving you would be the wake-up call that destroyed your world. Instead, you're about to show her that it was the spark that built a better one. When a woman walks away, she usually does so with a specific script in her head. She expects you to chase, beg, and fall apart. Every desperate text and late-night call from you is like a trophy for her. It proves she was the prize and that you are exactly the needy, low-value man she imagined you were. To make her truly regret losing you, you have to listen carefully. The most powerful thing you can do is absolutely nothing. You must become a ghost. Delete her number, unfollow her accounts, and cut every digital tie. This isn't about being petty. It's about protecting your energy and creating an information vacuum. When she expects a flood of emotion and gets total silence instead, her ego takes a massive hit. She starts wondering why you aren't hurting. She begins to question if she was actually as important to you as she thought. Most men make the mistake of showing their pain publicly, thinking it will win her sympathy. In reality, it only confirms her decision. Women are drawn to emotional strength, not fragility. If you must process the hurt, do it behind closed doors with your closest brothers. In public, you must be a mountain, steady, calm, and unfazed. When she sees that you can handle life without her, the narrative shifts. She thought she was holding you up, but your resilience proves she was actually holding you back. True regret isn't born from your words, it's born from your transformation. You need to focus on 3 pillars: your body, your bank account, and your mission. Go to the gym until you don't recognize the man in the mirror. Pour that breakup energy into your career or a project you've ignored. Build a life so full and exciting that you genuinely don't have time to check her Instagram. When you stop making a woman the center of your universe and start making your own purpose the priority, you become magnetic. Finally, understand that by the time she told you it was over, she had already been gone for months. Stop waiting for a realization that isn't coming. The only way to win is to move forward so fast that she becomes a tiny speck in your rearview mirror. When she eventually circles back, and they often do, she should find a man who has upgraded so significantly that he no longer has a place for her. The greatest revenge isn't a clever comeback. It's being so happy and successful that you honestly forgot why you wanted her back in the first place. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to No Plan B so you never miss any new videos.